We are doing different tests today. We are going to trace a cargo drone. Okay, let's log first. Okay, the purpose of this test is to try, just curious about how it will perform under zoom and how it will perform passing clouds and power transmission lines. I'm curious it will stay locked or will be distracted by those objects. Okay, let's try to zoom. And see how it will perform. Okay, so far. Okay, let's see if we can pass the big cloud, which is quite destructive, and try too far zoom. Yes, we passed, but actually I was expecting it to drop the log because it's really too far. How hard we can spot it on the sky. Okay, we're moving toward power transmission lines, and there's a chance that the log will be dropped. Oh no, it keeps locked. So the log keeps actually to the original object shape and probably the moving pattern. We have seen this on the previous video with the Suzuki motorbike. It also passing similar objects, similar motorbikes, but then doesn't get distracted. Now with the log is dropped and it's trying to recover itself. Oh, it did, yes. So it was completely automatic recovery. There is no manual relock. But this could be possible because the background is clear. We have a clear sky on the background. If we have something destructive, for example, in this case, probably it will not get relocked with the clouds on the background. But all in all, it's quite good.